Hello and welcome back. We're just going to continue along in the book. Again, if you saw the mistake from yesterday, please leave a comment down below. We will just move on today, right? So let's start with this row. We're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2 and 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here and a 3 here. So 6, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and a 4 here. So 7, a 1 here. So 4 and 1. To finish out this row, we're missing a 1. For this box then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 7, 8, a 7 here. So 6, 8, and a 7 here. So 6, 8. So the only place our 7 can be is here. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4, 7 here. So 8. 4 here. 7, 4. Finish this column then. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. Finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 there, so 7, 2. For this row then, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 there, so 1, 5, a 1 there, so 4, 5. And no help here, so 1, 4, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 there, so 5, 9, a 9 and an 8 there. So that means 5, 9, 8. And we can get rid of this 5 here. So for this column, we're still missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 there. So 1, 4, that makes this our 5 and this our 1. To finish out this box, we're missing a 1. Up this 8 means this is our 6 and our 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 4, a 9 here, so 3, 4. That means our 9 has to be here. So for this column, then we're missing that 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 3, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. And we don't have any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 5, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here. So 2 and 8 there. So 5, 8. That 2 means this is our 6 and our 2. So to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 there, so 3, a 6 there, so 1 and 6. All right, much better than yesterday. Thank you again for joining me. I will see you tomorrow with our next puzzle, but please do like, subscribe, and share with someone you think might enjoy this content. It really does help the channel out. All right, have a good day.